To get the strongest, most powerful airflow out of your tower fan, the internal pathways need to be completely clear. Over time, you will likely notice the breeze weakening or see a visible layer of gray dust collecting on the exterior grates. When those symptoms appear, it is time for a complete deep clean. You only need a few basic household tools for this: a vacuum equipped with a brush or crevice tool, a dry towel, and access to a sink or bathtub. Before touching any moving parts, there is one mandatory safety rule: ensure the fan is powered off and completely unplugged from the wall outlet. Gathering these simple tools and confirming the power is completely disconnected guarantees you can move through the maintenance cycle safely. Let's start by securing the remote control so it doesn't get misplaced during the teardown. You can slide it directly into the remote control storage slot built right into the back of the chassis. Next, place your hands securely on the back cover and pull outward to unlatch the rear exterior plate. With the cover off, look near the base to locate the locking mechanism holding the internal cylindrical fan blade. Release that lock and use a gentle upward sliding motion to pull the fan blade cylinder out of the main housing. Take your time pulling this out. If it resists, do not use excessive force, or you risk bending and snapping the fragile plastic fins. This methodical disassembly protects the delicate internal architecture and gives us open access for the cleaning process. We begin the actual cleaning by removing the loose, dry dust that has accumulated inside the main body. Grab your vacuum and attach either the crevice tool or a soft brush. Carefully run the vacuum nozzle along the internal black grate and around the exposed motor housing area. We do this dry pass first for a specific reason. If we introduce water now, that loose dust will turn into a stubborn, mud-like paste that sticks to the plastic. Clearing out the dry debris up front protects the internal motor cavity from holding on to moisture-related grime. Now we transition to the wet cleaning phase. Fill your sink or bathtub with a few inches of warm, soapy water. Both the detached back cover and the internal fan blade cylinder are completely waterproof and safe to submerge. Place the components into the water bath and gently wipe them down to break loose any stuck-on particles. This total submersion technique dissolves the sticky household grime that a dry vacuum simply cannot pull off. Because the fan features a modular design with easily detachable parts, you can achieve deep sanitation using only basic dish soap and water. Lift the parts from the water, shake off the excess, and thoroughly wipe down the cover and blades with a dry towel. Do not reinstall these parts while they are damp. Reinserting wet components creates a severe risk of causing an electrical short and permanently damaging the motor. Once you are certain the pieces are completely dry, slide the blade cylinder back into the main housing until you feel a firm click from the locking mechanism. Then align the back cover and press along the edges until every tab snaps flush against the chassis. Strict patience during the drying step is your ultimate safeguard against electrical failure when you plug it back in. With the unit fully assembled and entirely dry, plug the power cord back into your wall outlet. Power on the unit using the buttons located on the top control panel. Look at the front panel to confirm the digital display illuminates, signaling a successful power connection. Set the fan speed to high. You should immediately note a stronger flow of air, quieter motor operation, and the complete absence of any dusty odors. Repeating this straightforward maintenance cycle every few months maximizes the lifespan of your unit and ensures you get clean, powerful air circulation year-round.